Hey everybody, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take a look at one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with the Black Ops package from Tuscany. This is a super cool truck inside and out. If we go ahead and start up with the front, we got a lot of awesome features. We have this steel front bumper with really nice mesh, and it says Black Ops right in the center. We also have a massive 40-inch LED bar. I love the way this thing looks. We also have red tow hooks down below, a body color blacked out grille, as well as a blacked out Chevy bow tie. We have a custom powder coated grille as well. Then moving our way to this Tuscany hood, it's two-tone. We have satin black right in the center on the raised portion with a vent on the sides of it as well. If we move our way to the side profile, you can see just how much clearance we have with this front bumper. It flows really nicely to these smooth body colored fender flares. We have the Black Ops badge on the side with more of the mesh, and there's mesh on the backside of these flares. Now this truck is sitting on a 6-inch BDS lift kit. This has a great stance to it. We have a set of satin black wheels, they're 20 inches, and we have some mud terrain tires wrapping them. You can also see some of these suspension components, and the stabilizer bars are even powder coated red for that added touch. If we move to the side profile, we have a really nice trim piece on the lower portion of the doors with the Black Ops badge up front. And being a really tall truck, all you have to do is grab one of the door handles and open a door, and the running boards automatically deploy. And then by closing the door, they're going to automatically retract as well. And when they are retracted, you can see this really nice metal piece. They also double as rock rails, which is a really cool touch for this truck. Moving our way to the back, you can see, of course, the same wheel and tire combo with the same style fender flares. And then on the back, we have a body colored rear bumper with the side step integrated into that. We have a really cool satin black powder coated dual exhaust system. It has a great sound to it. We'll take a quick listen. And then on the back of this Silverado, we have Chevrolet stamped into this tailgate. We also have a lockable hard bed cover. You can lock and unlock it with the key, and with it unlocked like that, we can easily lift it up. It does have gas struts to make it a little bit easier to lift it. And then we also have a LED light underneath it to make it a little bit easier to see inside at night. And by just pressing this button, we can open up this tailgate. It's very easy to open up like that. We have a full bed liner in it, so it's nice and durable. And being this tailgate doesn't weigh much, with one hand you can easily close it up. And then by just grabbing this additional strap, we can easily close up the bed cover. Now inside this Black Ops Silverado, we have a really nice interior here, finished off with leather seats. I really love how you get micro suede on them, as well as contrast stitching, and we get Black Ops embossed into the leather. Really good look overall. We have leather on the armrests as well, and then a really nice leather wrapped steering wheel. You'll also notice a carbon fiber look design to a lot of the dash as well as the steering wheel, and we have some nice tech with the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and of course a backup camera. We have a sunroof up top, and then right in the gauges, I really love the surrounds they use. They say Black Ops on them, and they kind of have a target right in the center, which looks really cool. This truck also has heated seats with a heated steering wheel, and then to control the light bar, you just have a button right up front. We also have the Bose audio system with one of the speakers on the door. This truck is based off of a crew cab, so we have the full 4-door. The door opens nice and wide to gain access to these rear seats. We have the same upholstery with all the smooth leather and micro suede with the stitching, and I love how the Silverados have this opening door right here, so you have extra storage in these backrests. And then for even more space, you can lift up the front and lock it into place, and the floor opens up for many different things you'll need to put in the back of this truck. There's also storage pockets behind the front seats, and then my favorite touch is the American flags on the backs of these headrests. So we are now setting off in the 2021 Silverado with the Black Ops package. First and foremost, that V8 has a really nice rumble with this upgraded exhaust system. But this is a really cool package for the truck. I think it gives it a lot of aggression. I love that front end design and just the overall blend of everything with this vehicle. And right now we are driving on a pretty rough road, and yet this truck feels like a stock vehicle. I like how the BDS suspension is such a high quality lift kit that it still retains that factory ride quality while giving you a 6-inch lift. So I just like the blend of that. You're not compromising anything or sacrificing anything just to get the awesome lift. Coming up to a stop now, we'll feel out how well this V8 can get us up to speed with these oversized tires. Just getting up to speed, giving a little bit of gas, effortlessly gets right up to speed now. And then now that we're cruising in this truck, getting my bearings with the comfort side of things, while it has mud terrain tires, you don't really hear them too much. It's not too bad at all, pretty quiet, which is really nice to have. And then one thing awesome with these vehicles, this comes with a speedometer that's already calibrated for the oversized tires, and the truck is backed by a 3-year warranty, so you're able to get a modified truck like this, and yet it is completely covered by Tuscany, and of course it's backed by Chevrolet. So I like how you can get a brand new truck, fully modified, crazy everything, and yet you're covered, which is a really cool feature for this truck. And then just cruising in this truck right now, I love how high up you are. You're really on top of the road. You can see over every other vehicle. And then as far as comfort in it, the seats are really nice and comfortable. Armrests are in a really good place, and everything that you touch and feel in this vehicle feels really nice and high quality. I love the leather to it. So the Chevrolet Silverado as a base vehicle for the Tuscany package is definitely a great platform. And then final thoughts with this truck, it drives really nice and smooth. You can definitely tell that everything is put together really nicely. As we take some sharp turns, you can feel how confident the handling is. It's just solid, which I love that about a lifted truck. Definitely can't go wrong with a sweet truck like this. So there's a look at one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with the Black Ops package from Tuscany. This is an awesome truck inside and out, very aggressive, and I love the way it drives. If you have any questions on this truck or would like to schedule a test drive and take it out on the road for yourself, check out all of our contact information down in the description below.